Automotive enthusiasts and especially fans of Japanese cars, rejoice! The CX-90 is here. My name is Braden, you're watching MotorBiscuit, and while you wouldn't be faulted for not even knowing there wasn't a Mazda CX-90 before, you should be excited that the CX-90 is here. The CX-90 is Mazda's newest and biggest SUV platform. It's a 3-row family hauler, and while Mazda's vehicles as of late have been what one might call forgettable, the CX-90 actually has some pretty impressive features and power output that you just might be able to get excited about. So, what kind of punch is this 8-seater SUV actually packing? Well, for one, the Mazda CX-90 brings the return of something many automotive enthusiasts have been begging for over a decade now, and that is the return of a Japanese-made turbocharged inline 6-cylinder. That's right, the Mazda CX-90 comes with a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline 6 that makes 340 horsepower. It also makes 369 pound-feet of torque, and it has a mild hybrid system to help assist in its economy. There's an electric motor placed between the engine and the transmission, almost like an electric torque converter that provides smooth acceleration, and at low speeds even allows the electric motor to drive the entire car itself, providing a smooth and nice transition between electric power to engine power, and giving you, of course, that little extra zest coming from the instant electric torque that people are well too familiar with the electric vehicle world becoming so prominent. The electric vehicle world is the perfect transition because the CX-90 is also available in a plug-in hybrid variant that uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder alongside an electric motor. That combination is worth 323 horsepower and a matching 369 pound-feet of torque. The plug-in hybrid version comes with a 17.8 kilowatt-hour high-capacity battery. However, at this time, we don't have any electric-only driving ranges or fuel economy numbers to give you, but stay tuned to MotorBiscuit.com for all of the updates as they become available. Both the turbo 6-cylinder and hybrid variant are paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And while I said the electric motor and the mild hybrid system is like an electric torque converter, it actually doesn't have a torque converter at all. So the direct power from the engine to the transmission provides for instant reactions to throttle input and smooth acceleration and comfortable driving. Now, if all these power and performance figures seem a little bit weird to be associated with a big SUV, the next one's going to be a bit crazier. The CX-90 features kinematic posture control, and if you're a fan of Mazda, that might sound familiar because it first made an appearance on the Mazda MX-5, or Miata, as you're probably familiar with. So to take a page out of the handling of what is renowned as one of the best handling sports cars in the world and apply it to a huge 8-seat family SUV is a pretty interesting concept. Frankly, we can't wait to get behind the wheel and experience what it's like to drive the new CX-90. Of course, as to be expected with Mazda, the interior is comfortable with ample space, USB-C ports, and of course all the technology a modern car should have. And if you're looking for more details and specifics on the CX-90's interior features and technology features, be sure to keep an eye on our website. Let us know what you think of the new CX-90 in the comments below. Is it a little bit weird to you? Frankly, we think it's pretty awesome to take some handling and power aspects and apply it to a big SUV in the form of the Mazda CX-90. For now though, my name is Braden, you just watched a MotorBiscuit video, and we would love if you would subscribe. Come hang out with us as we continue to roll out automotive videos for you. And if you want to keep up with us elsewhere, you can check us out on Instagram at MotorBiscuitOfficial, follow us on Twitter at BiscuitMotor, and of course, you can check out all sorts of automotive news, stories, and insights at MotorBiscuit.com. For now, I bid you adieu, and I'll see you in the next video.